टॉक अबाउट स्वर्ण, जिसे हम कनक कहते हैं, राइट? देयर इज अ वर्ड कॉल्ड एज कनक. So especially if you go to Vijayawada, Kanak Durga temple is there. Kanak means nothing else but gold. And if you have been doing the puja of Lakshmi Devi, you know there is something called as the Kanakadhara Stotra. How many of you know it and how many of you do it? So if you know it, you know the Mahatmya of that, means the importance of that shloka, which was prepared by none other than Adi Shankaracharya. The benefit of that is, जब आप कनकधारा स्तोत्रम पढ़ते हो ना, it is like if you read it to its extreme, तो सोने का वर्षा होगा. Means it will rain gold. For many of the people, it is like a dream thing, right? ऐसा कभी हो सकता है क्या? Okay. तो मैं उनको पूछना चाहता, like always there is a question, is it possible that it can rain gold from heaven, or whatever you call, from clouds it will rain gold? I said it's possible. Why? Because have you heard of something called as Rag Deep, या Deep Rag जिसे कहते हैं, right? That happened in this era only, right? जब राग दीपक गाते थे तो क्या होता था, दीप अपने आप जलने लगते थे. जब मेघ मल्हार गाते थे तो क्या होता था, when they started singing मेघ मल्हार, it started raining. And Hari bhai, I don't know like how many of you might have seen this video or not. Quite a long time ago, might a year ago or so, I saw a clipping of a village. Okay, it's a very small little village. I don't know who recorded that video, but there was an old man sitting near a temple, and when he was sitting there, he was singing something. And when he was singing something, this person might have got a new phone or something, might be a established person from the town, might have gone to the village, because there are no such facilities much out there. So he was asking like, what are you doing? He said, I'm singing. No, you are singing, but it's a very typical song. I've never heard this. So he said, I am singing Megh Malhar. And this young chap asked him, ये मेघ मल्हार गाने से क्या होगा? वो कहते मेघ मल्हार गाने से बारिश होगा. And this person looks into the sky and say, बादल ही नहीं है, बारिश कहाँ से होगी? It is like a bright day. Okay, he is sitting in the afternoon, it's a bright day, and he asked this. He said, you sit and see, होता है कि नहीं? And literally he sang the song and it rained. You should have seen the facial expression of that youngster. How is it possible that it can rain? There is no sign of any cloud. There is nothing to be seen, but it rained. He said, how do you do that? Means, have you been doing it since childhood? Whenever you sing this, it rains? He said, no. I didn't start it like that. See, this is something we should all understand in this way. उसमें बहुत बड़ी सीख है. उसमें सीखने की बात क्या है? He said, when I was child, when I heard that it would rain when I sing this, means अगर मेघ मल्हार गाते हो, so it will rain. I started, but it did not rain. In my childhood, I started singing the song, but it did not rain. But I did not stop until it rained. समझ में आया कुछ? He said, मैं जब गाना पहली बार गाया तब बारिश नहीं हुई, लेकिन मैं तब तक नहीं रुका जब तक बारिश नहीं हुई. I did not stop until it rained. And what happened? After that, it was like a vardhan on me. Whenever I sing, it rains. Because the rain understood that he is not going to stop until I rain. So what's your story? What's your story? इसका मतलब यही है कि जो कनकधारा स्तोत्र है, कनकधारा स्तोत्र भी अभी भी ऐसा जगह है जहां पे एक पर्टिकुलर वृक्ष है जिसके नीचे बैठ के जब कनकधारा स्तोत्र की जाप होता है, देयर इज ए पर्टिकुलर कल्ट ऑफ पीपल दैट दे सिट एंड डू दिस जाप. और उस रात उस पेड़ के नीचे स्वर्ण की वर्षा होती है अभी तक. But they are a very closed group. Very, very closed group. But the villagers, they know it. Now they have, earlier, you know what, after that particular night they would all go and start digging, and everyone has found some other gold things under that tree for ages now. So what they have done is, so now it was like a gold rush. Especially if you might have seen the old US movies, there is something called as the gold rush time, right? Everybody was going to dig for gold. So that's how it happened. So now that tree is still there, it is barricaded. It's barricaded around it, but the tree is still there. And I have visited that place, I have seen it. So when people say, "Ye possible hai kya?" Why not? Just like few ages ago, might be 20 years ago or 50 years ago, if somebody would say, "You can sit here and people sitting in the US can see you," what would they say? ये पागल हो गया है, ऐसा कभी हो सकता है? Even the scientists would not have agreed to you. But now we are sitting here, Shiva Guruji is enjoying a cup of coffee in the early morning hours, and we are sitting here and we are looking at each other. So how did it happen? That means the possibility of creation in this world is unlimited. So जब कनकधारा स्तोत्र की बात आती है, तो कनकधारा का स्तोत्र जब गाया जाता है तो स्वर्ण की वर्षा होती है।